ITSM and DevOps, bridging the gap for better collaboration. We will explore how ITSM and DevOps can work together to create a culture of collaboration and drive continuous improvement. ITSM and DevOps, a winning combination. For many years, ITSM and DevOps have been viewed as separate entities within organizations. ITSM focuses on the delivery of quality IT services, while DevOps is centered around the rapid and continuous delivery of software. Why is collaboration important? Collaboration between ITSM and DevOps is essential for ensuring that IT operations run smoothly and effectively. By working together, teams can streamline processes, improve workflows, and enhance overall productivity. Bridging the gap, how to foster collaboration. Implementing Agile practices. Agile methodologies can help teams work together more effectively by promoting flexibility, adaptability, and transparency. Embracing automation. Automation tools can streamline processes and eliminate manual tasks, allowing teams to focus on higher value work. Encouraging open communication. Regular communication between ITSM and DevOps teams is crucial for sharing information, resolving issues, and aligning priorities. Investing in training and development. Training programs can help team members develop new skills, stay up to date on the latest technologies, and foster a culture of continuous learning. Conclusion. In conclusion, bridging the gap between ITSM and DevOps is essential for organizations looking to maximize the benefits of technology, information, and innovation.